Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Got quite a few going on right now. I will put links in the description box down below that takes you to the different videos that talk about how to enter all the different giveaways. I have had a love-hate relationship with Birchbox lately. They've upped their prices from $10 to $15, and there's supposed to be more customizations. You can get more, you can choose your whole box if you want to. But whenever I go to do that, even on the same day that they announce it, they're sold out of that box. So all I was able to do for this one was to choose one sample. And if you saw my videos before on Birchbox, they screwed up an entire box. They were supposed to send me a box that I picked, and they sent me something else. And they were supposed to fix that and at least send me the one product that I really wanted. They'll go, oh, we'll mail it out to you. It's been a couple of months now. Haven't received it. So anyway, let's dive into this box. So there's a card here that talks about the different products. So let's dive into the box. Oh, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Amika. It's the Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Full size of this does retail for $25, and the spray gives you loose beach texture without the salt, meaning no dried out waves. Mist through damp or dry hair, scrunching and twisting sections, then air dry or blow dry. I would have to definitely air dry or else my hair gets pretty large. I do have a link for Birchbox. It's an affiliate. It just kind of helps me out a little bit. If you're interested in signing up with them, I will put that in the description box down below. So Dr. Lipp is a Birchbox favorite. Original nipple balm for lips, full size, $16.50. This multi-purpose natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame and relieve brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. It's great that it can do all of that. From Watier, it is new to Birchbox. It's a waterproof eyeliner in the shade Acajou. Full size is $24. Whether you prefer a subtle line or a bolder cat eye, this waterproof pencil glides over your lash line effortlessly, plus the deep purple hue is flattering on every eye color. It's like a really deep purple. Let me just try putting that down here, because I think it'd go with the eye look today. And I'm just putting it in the waterline since it is a waterproof one. There's what it kind of looks like on the hand. From Living Proof is a perfect hair day 5-in-1 styling treatment. Full size retails for $28. This multitasking styler does it all. Volumizes, adds softness, blocks UV rays, safeguards color, and protects from heat. Comb on nickel size amount through the damp hair, and then blow dry. I've been really liking Living Proof products lately. From Air Repair is the Complexion-Boosting Moisturizer. Packed with antioxidants and humectants, this rich cream moisturizes and revitalizes dry, dull, or stressed out skin. Full size of this does retail for $23. And the last item was an item that I was able to pick. It is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. So this full size retails for $18. Watermelon hydrates, aloe vera redness, and cucumber refresh. In the soothing sheet mask, leave on your face for 15 to 20 minutes for a quick perk up. If you're new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, review them, and let you know the tea on them. So look for this one in an upcoming video. It was an okay box. I wish that I was, able to pick more items than just one. What did you guys think of it? Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you get some different stuff in yours? Give me this bill. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.